Hey guys, so we have our modified B36 here. It's extended and has another axle, and 3 of the axles are metal axles and all metal drive shafts, and we're going to attempt to cross this pond. It has a layer of ice on the top, so yeah, I guess we'll find out if it makes it. So the truck works good, and yeah, we made it over the pond and everything, but the problem I'm having is I still have the stock electronics in there, but everything else is upgraded. Motor and transmission and all that is upgraded, so the electronics just don't put out the power that it needs. So once the battery gets a little low and it gets stuck, then the thing just turns off, and then you have to reset it. So yeah, next step is to upgrade the electronics, and then we'll have a lot more power.